Hey guys, this is Srikanth here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up AWX on your local machine. AWS is an open source version of Ansible Tower. So let's see how you can set it up on your local machine. On the screen, I have already opened my Ubuntu terminal, which has been set up through WSL. On my Ubuntu, I have already set up micro-K8s. It's very easy to set up. Just follow the documentation and there are some steps at the bottom. Just follow the steps and you will be able to set up micro-K8s easily. Once set up, continue with the steps I have demonstrated in this video. On Windows 11 machine, let me clone this repository. Go to that folder. Okay, so here are the tags that were available. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we have till 2.90. Okay, press key to come out. So I'm going to check out to a specific tag here. So let me do for 2.7.2. Okay, if you are not sure about which tag to use, go to the release documentation available on GitHub. So let's see what files are inside. Let's see if make is available here. Okay, let me install this. It is not available, right? Okay, let me try make deploy now. Okay, I got an error. Let's see how we can fix this. Okay, so let's check whether my micro-8s is up and running or not. Okay, it is running. Let me run this command which will configure micro-8s like through default commands. So till now I am running micro-8 commands with a prefix of micro-8s. So let me run this command. Let's see. Okay, now try make deploy. Okay, so now it has worked. Let's see if AWX is running now. It is running. So let's create an AWS instance. Let's as per the documentation, we have to run this file. Okay, and then run. Okay, so it is looking for customization.yaml file. Let me create one. Let me open VS Code from here. Opening VS Code from Ubuntu is one of the easiest ways to edit files on Unix. So let me create a file, call it customization.yaml, and then put out this content, save it, go back to Ubuntu. Now try this command and then put out this content. Changes are applied successfully. So let's monitor our AWS deployment. Okay, let's check why it is not displaying anything. I think I have to change the namespace. Okay, it is showing something now. The status is showing as pending. Let's wait for the status to become running. We can actually watch it by passing -w and wait for it to become running. It may take a couple of minutes. Don't worry much if all the previous steps have went through without any errors. Okay, it is taking some time. Let's see if there is something else we can check. So this command shows that whether AWS operator deployment exists or not. So it exists. Let's check again on the status. It is still pending. Let me make this namespace as default one so that I don't have to keep passing this as a parameter. So now if I try to fetch the pods, okay, probably this is not. Let me check all the namespaces. Okay, it looks fine. Okay, I think I have to give AWX here, not AWX op. So let's get the pods now. Yeah, now you can see something is running. AWX demo is still pending. Let's wait for some more time. Let me check the services. Let's check why it is pending. I would generally give some time for everything to come online rather than doing something. So in this command, we are checking the persistent volume. It is still showing as pending. So let me run these commands to fix this. Let's delete this pod and we'll create a new pod immediately. Okay, it is showing as terminating. Looks like by the time we ran this command, it went to running state, but we made some changes. I think it should be fine. Let's see how it goes. Maybe I should for it to become running state. Let me -w. Yeah, you can see that new pod came up. Okay, now that Postgres is running, control manager is also running, and demo task is initializing. Let's see how long it will take. Now it is showing as pod initializing. Yeah, now everything is running. Good. Now let me check the services. Okay, now I got this port number, right? Let's see if I am able to access it. Nothing came up. It's probably running. Let's see. So now I'm going to create a port forwarding from Ubuntu to Windows 11. Now port forwarding is enabled. Let's see if it is accessible on 8081. There you go. Your AWX is set up. Now I need to get a default username and password. Let's see how I can set it up. Okay, let me leave this window and open Ubuntu here again. So let me run this command. It will give me the password. So I got the password here. Admin will be the username, and in the password I have pasted it. Okay, it's not running. Let's go back. Maybe I haven't copied it correctly. Okay, maybe let me refresh it once again. Try. Using these commands, I have created a super user. Now let's try to log in. Let me refresh it. Here you go. It works. I hope this video is useful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.